Which building would your clients prefer? Which home? Which office? Which school? Which healthcare facility? Research tells us there's a reason most people prefer to be in buildings made with natural materials like wood. It's called nature-connected design, also known as biophilia. Nature-connected design relies on the instinctive bond between humans and other life forms. Put simply, it's about bringing the benefits of nature into the built environment. New research on urban planning shows that workers are more productive, students learn better, patients heal faster, and we're all happier when we're surrounded by natural elements like plants and timber structures. So for your next project, think about your client's health and well-being and choose responsibly sourced wood. Find out more at makeitwood.org.